that off all the way. I'm trying to warm my car up. It's fucking freezing. My car says 35. It's 9:33. I just finished getting Vlogmas Day 20 uploaded. I'm literally trying to defrost my car. I don't know if you can see, like, we're frozen today. And then, oh my gosh. And then I'm heading to Walmart. My mom needed me to get her a couple things. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank my heat back up and I'll catch up with you guys in a little while. Okay, I know you can barely see me and I apologize if it's kind of shaky. Holy shit, that sun is so bright. I'm leaving Goodwill. I was in there so much longer than I intended. I'm driving to Walmart right now. It's 10:33. Kyle just messaged me, so he's on his lunch break and he's gonna end up calling me here in a second. So I'm gonna end this here. Okay, so I didn't record, or I mean I did record, but I'm not even gonna put it in this because because the only thing that I got that we needed were, well, that my mom needs, because I'm literally went to Walmart for her, was the plain Hershey Kisses. They only had a small bag, first off. Secondly, how do you not have chapstick? Like the original chapstick, like chapstick brand, the black one. How do you not have that? You get what I mean? Like, and then the one thing that I needed was a lock. So me and Kyle go to Planet Fitness. And then we were like, no, like, COVID really fucked us up. We need to start going, like, yeah, whatever, like, a lot. And my mom was like, well, I want to come with you guys. Like, you can tan and everything. God, this road is horrible. So, I lost my lock. And I don't know where Kyle's disappeared to. So, we all need locks for the gym. Can't find them anywhere. Like, is everyone thinking the same thing we're thinking? It's so bright, I can't see. Now I can't see if the lights change. I shouldn't have put a mitt in my mouth when I was talking. Like, and I'm driving. That's really dangerous. But, I'm going to, what is this called? I'm heading to Dollar General because I'm hoping maybe they sell locks. Because I'm not trying to go to, like, Home Depot or Lowe's or one of them big-ass places. So, I guess wish me luck. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit and let you know what the fuck's going on with my life. Today is definitely a second cup of coffee day. But I don't want a hot coffee, so I'm gonna make myself an iced one. I'm gonna add my Silk dairy-free oat creamer. It's the oatmeal cookie one is literally what it's called. Taste test time. That's good. Oh, I made the coffee kind of strong. It's not as oatmeal flavored as I thought it would be, if that makes sense. So, these are the nails that I got. I got these. I got these ones for my mom because they have like the cute little sweater print. I don't know if you'll be able to fully see them. She'll have to cut them down because they're going to be too long for her. And then I got two because I couldn't decide. I really like these ones. There we go. I really like these ones. But then I also got these ones, which are a little bit more simple. I guess if I think I might just do the more simple ones because like 2 weeks after Christmas, I think it's 2 weeks, maybe it's 3 weeks after Christmas, me and my cousin are going out for our birthdays. So, oh, my mom's chapstick. I could only find them in a 3-pack. So I went to the thrift store on my way home because I was like, you know what? I need to, like, I don't even know, fix my fucking attitude. Something. So I found this cute little snowman candle holder, and then I stopped at Dollar General, which they didn't have locks again. So I found this. It's True Living. It's Sunset Papaya. It's a candle. It smells so good. They didn't have any Christmas ones, but I figured to put inside this. So I got that. And then I got this. Okay, so I got this cup, which I'm only taking one out. I got 2 of them. It's just like a Santa. Oh, it's the same thing on both sides. So I got 2 of those for my dad and his girlfriend to go along with the candle holder and candle. And then I also got, I have to get them out, these cute little snowmen ornaments. So this one just has lights on him and he looks cute or whatever. And then there's this one with a Christmas tree. She really likes snowmen, so I figured that'd be a cute gift. I was going to get them stuff to bake or whatever because, oh, I put the bag over there. Because to go with the 2 cups, I'm going to put a hot cocoa bomb and a peppermint spoon. But I don't want them to bake their own stuff because I found this tray. And to go on this tray, I'm baking a bunch of cookies Wednesday to give to everybody either Thursday or, no, Friday on Christmas. No, I'll do it Thursday, I think. That's that. And then I already wrapped my mom's present, but I'm going to have to unwrap it. I got her this cute mug. It says ho 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 on it, but it's super simple. And she drinks coffee like it's going out of style. So I figured that would be cute to add to her present. I don't think I showed you guys her present or not. Lastly, I got these, what are they called? Snowflakes. There's 20 of them in here, it says. But they're just green. Because I have a lot, my tree this year I did red, green, and gold. Normally it's just red and gold. So to add a little bit more of a pop of green, I think I'll put these on next year. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap their stuff up and get it in a bag so it's ready to go. And I will, I'll check in with you guys in a little while. Good morning. I forgot to end the video again because there is no reason. Because, I don't even remember the last thing I updated you guys on. So I ended up just making cookies with my mom while trying to help her make cookies. And that's about it because she had a work party today. So yeah, that's pretty much what you missed. And then I laid in bed until I don't even know what time watching TikTok. I am going to go ahead and end the video though so I can start today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload. And don't forget to thumbs this video up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.